Doon sa nangyari sa amin, it made me realize na ang dami ko pang serious trust issues and that I got a really bad case of inferiority complex. I always wondered, what if I just ditched the other guys early on? What if I took him seriously? What if I trusted him? Ang daming what ifs. I also thought na mali yung timing para sa aming dalawa. Dumating siya sa buhay ko na I was experimenting and exploring how far my physique would take me. And at the time na lagi kong hinahanap yung magpupuno ng insecurities ko sa sarili ko by dating a lot of guys. I know I was wrong, but it was too late. I will always regret what I did and what happened to us. But at least I have learned my lessons. Hindi man kami umabot sa pagiging official, he taught me valuable lessons na hindi kawalan ang magbigay ng trust sa isang tao. Risky yon, oo. Kasi baka nga maibigay mo ang trust mo sa maling tao, pero ganun naman talaga yata eh. In my case, hindi ako nagbigay ng trust sa tamang tao. Sometimes, I still think about him. Sometimes, I still find myself thinking about his kisses, about what could have been for our future, and how crazy I was to make a huge mistake like that. Pero ganun naman talaga ang buhay. At ngayon, I always say, don't be afraid to let yourself go. Do not overthink. If you love someone, just give in. Give yourself a chance because it may be your only chance to be truly happy.